I got another video for you guys, but this is Civic. On the Civic, I already replaced the top engine mount here, side engine mount here on the side. Right now, I'm draining the transmission fluid out of the transmission. I'm going to be refilling here through the dipstick. Going to the bottom of the vehicle now. So I use the 3/8 ratchet right here on the side to break the bolt loose. So right now, bolt is loose, and I'm going to be placing that transmission, that engine mount back here also with a brand new OEM one. But for now, I'm just going to show you guys how to do this to drain out the transmission fluid. So I'm just going to drain this out like this. Placed this about like 3-4 weeks ago. Just do another drain and refill. Okay. So draining out 3 quarts. And once I finish draining out, I'll catch back the video. Okay, so basically what I did was I drained out as much as I could out of the transmission. I cleaned off the drain plug. So now I'm going to put the drain plug back in the side of the transmission with the regular washer that was already on it. Washer was still good. So right now, this is the oil, transmission fluids, 3 quarts. So right now I'm just gonna clean that off. And tighten this. About 30 foot-pounds of torque, 33, and that's it. And then right now I'm just gonna go back up top. All right, I'm gonna get the funnel, put it there in the transmission on the top, and then refill it back up. Got some Honda automatic transmission fluid, 3 quarts for the transmission. I put the long funnel in. Okay. So right now, I'm just gonna screw the top. Pull the new transmission fluid in. It's 1 quart. It's 2 quarts. Last one. So now that I pulled the last quart, good to go. That's it. Take out the funnel, put the transmission dipstick back in, and that's it. You change the transmission fluid, automatic transmission fluid in your Honda Civic. in less than 5 minutes. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And comment. Thanks.